Good afternoon, friends. Happy Labor Day to all of you. So, friends, I have awesome news. There is a new deposit date for inflation relief checks, and many Americans will be eligible to receive up to $600 in direct payments. The federal government has also announced a monthly benefit boost. SNAP benefit amounts are being adjusted this month. So, dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video, especially if you receive SNAP benefits. And to say thank you for watching every day, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and then liking several of my videos, and also commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways.
While our constituents suffer from 40-year high inflation, this chamber has done nothing to help them. Instead, my colleagues across the aisle have doubled down on their reckless spending and continue to make each bill bigger than the last. The spending has got to stop. We know that the American Rescue Plan was the catalyst for our inflation problems. We know that Biden's agenda has worsened those inflationary pressures. And yet today we're looking at even more exorbitant spending. We've been here before. Many of my colleagues remember the 70s and the 80s when inflation was even worse than it is today. Inflation isn't new. We know how to reverse it. We have to stop the spending. That's what my amendments do, cuts our spending. I urge every member of this chamber to support my amendments, which will cut wasteful spending from government programs. The status quo is not serving our constituents. For 20 years, we've operated without the appropriate appropriations process in this country. For the last 4 years since I've been in Congress, I've never seen a budget that's been provided and worked out, as my colleague just mentioned prior to me. The spending has continued to rise unchallenged. When will it end? To maintain what we've done for the last 20 years is a disservice to the people counting on us. When I'm home in Oklahoma, the only thing my constituents ask me is, how are you going to stop inflation? I know it's the same for all of my colleagues. Here's how.
Millions of eligible households who qualify for the SNAP will continue to receive an important financial boost amidst an inflation crisis that has dealt the United States a very hard blow. The amount each family may receive mainly depends on their income as well as certain expenses. Several U.S. states have officially announced that they will offer additional SNAP benefits to eligible families. This assistance is intended to help households who are struggling to make ends meet as a result of joblessness or decreased hours following the crisis. Last year, Congress and the U.S. Department of Agriculture decided to temporarily modify SNAP eligibility. Under the new rules, each household must meet certain income and asset requirements in order to qualify. The household income should be at or below 130% of the poverty line, which has been set at $1,830 a month. For example, this means that the poverty line for a 3-person family is $2,379 per month. Meanwhile, a household without an elderly or disabled member must have assets of $2,500 or less. The Pennsylvania SNAP program has been benefiting families in the U.S. since it came into effect. The good news is that recipients are going to continue to receive an extra monthly emergency payment until October 2022. Due to the crisis, SNAP recipients have been receiving extra monthly emergency allotments since April of 2020. On July 15, 2022, the Biden administration extended the federal emergency declaration due to the crisis for an additional 90 days. Therefore, the SNAP emergency allotment payments will continue through October, and that's thanks to an automatic extra month provided by the program rules. The extra payment will bring U.S. households that are only eligible for a partial benefit up to the maximum benefit amount for their household size. Households that are already eligible for the maximum benefit amount will receive an extra $95 per month. In the upcoming weeks, millions of Americans can anticipate receiving some significant financial assistance. Due to new tax rebates, Illinois taxpayers will soon get checks in the mail. The Illinois Family Relief Plan by Governor J.B. Pritzker was passed earlier this year. This proposal provides one-time individual income tax refunds, as well as rebates on property taxes for people who meet specific requirements. The rebates are expected to be issued on September 12, 2022. Residents must have paid Illinois property taxes on their primary residence in 2021 in order to qualify for the checks. For those who submitted the 2021 tax form, you will automatically be reimbursed. Illinois citizens can still submit the form online to receive their rebate, even if they have not submitted their individual income tax forms or filled it out yet. The income tax credit is available to anyone who earned less than $200,000. The cutoff for married couples who file jointly is $400,000. Friends, the keyword for this video is Lake of Egypt. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos. Then comment below this keyword, which is Lake of Egypt, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. There is also an update on student loan forgiveness. Democratic Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez believes that Americans should be more supportive of one another, and that we can start by embracing President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan. Ocasio-Cortez was asked, "How does canceling student debt help us who paid their loans?" The New York representative then responded by stating, "Not every program has to be for everybody." Ocasio-Cortez mentioned other programs that use taxpayer dollars to benefit specific populations, like first-time homeowner benefits, Medicare for senior citizens, and roads that even public transit users help fund through taxes. Senator Elizabeth Warren has been a longtime proponent of canceling student debt to help borrowers get back on their feet. Student loan forgiveness is described as an unfair use of taxpayer dollars that hurts those who already paid off their debt or did not take out loans at all. So friends, please let me know your thoughts on all of this in the comments section below. Well, my marvelous and magnificent friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me here this Labor Day. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. Please stay tuned because in a video later today, I'll be announcing the winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway. Thank you, my dear friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.